Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I have been shopping, and I know some of you like to see what I get from my Ross and TJ Maxx hauls. I absolutely love shopping those stores and seeing what I can find that's different, unique, or that I need, and I can get it for cheaper. So I've got several of these bags, so let's get to it. I'm going to try to be quick. So let's just see what we got in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support. You can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, the like, leave me a comment. I do reply to comments. I love comments. And anyway, so thank you for that. And so the first bag, I'm first going to say, I've always been a TJ Maxx girl. I just loved, and I still do. I love TJ Maxx to death. But lately, I have been getting into Ross, and I've been finding some really cool things. So anyway, the first bag I'm getting to looks like it's a couple of hair products. And I just thought these, I've heard of these. The Collab Dry Shampoo. This is, I got one for blonde. This one's the Blonde Root Refresh right here. This one I think was $5.99, and then this large one, this is the Mega Texture. It's like a texture, and this one is $6.99. So anyway, I'm excited about those. It's something I can use. So when I saw those, they just caught my eye and whatever. So the next thing in this same bag here, it's called Citrus Oasis. This is a Bloom and Prosper. I haven't heard of that brand. Candle company. I just think the jar is so cute. I thought it would be good. I put a display up in my kitchen, and I thought for Halloween this one might be cute with the black stripes. And besides that, it just smells fabulous. So I'm loving this smell. So anyway, there's that, and that was $6.99, you guys. Really nice candle. So anyway, the next thing I have here, I'll do something not as exciting, and then get to some of my really fun things at the end. So this one's not that exciting. This one's just, I just use these hangers. I love these black velvet hangers. I got, what is this, 25 for $10. Not necessarily, I think it's a pretty good deal for $10. I don't know, a lot of them are like 15 for the same set. So anyway, there's those. I also got a couple of cute trays, and this one, love this one. I might put this, I had two ideas. I was either going to switch out what I have in my kitchen and put this on my kitchen counter, which I may do, or this could go on my couch, my sofa, because my husband likes to have a tray on the couch by him. So anyway, I think this is really nice, and this was, I think, it's $13.99. And it's listed, valued at $40. So it's really a nice tray. I could see paying $40 for that. But I don't, because I'm cheaper. I like to get it, that's why I go to these places. The next tray I have, and this one was one I got kind of for my vanity, but it didn't really look right. So I don't know now. I might put it on my dresser by my bed. I have a couple different ideas. So anyway, there's that. So these are all kind of a real nice white lacquer. Both of these are really nice trays. Super nice trays. This one was $9.99. The value is 20 something, I think. Anyway, there's that. Okay, I got another box here. Another bag here, and this one I'm doing some redecorating. I redecorated my living room, and let me just tell you, right now I'm buying things for my house because my house is beautiful. I need to show it. It's really become a work of, like, something I'm proud of because I've worked so hard on it. We remodeled our whole place, and now I'm just trying to have everything organized to like really nicely organized and decorated so that I don't have to worry about it. I'm getting older now, you know. I don't want to have to worry about I just want my house to be done, you know, and it feels like it's never done. So I've really been working hard. I'm getting so close. So anyway, my goal is to be by the end of summer. I'm not quite there still, but hopefully before the holidays, I'll be at the point I want to be. So the first thing I got here was just this mirror. This mirror was $10.99, and it has like it has a stand on it. And it's just a really pretty mirror. I don't you can see kind of what it looks like. So anyway, there's that. And the next thing I have in here, I wasn't so sure about this one, but I need a couple of plants in my living room. And this was $10.99, but it's a little like a Bombay type tree, which I really like. It's just different. It's just in a little white container. It feels very heavy duty. It feels like really, it is really nice. So anyway, there's that. And gosh, I have another candle in here. I forgot I got 2 black ones. This one's called Citrus Oasis. This is orange, grapefruit, and tangerine. Citrus smells are like my favorite in my house. I just love the way these smell. Oh, this is from Bloom and Prosper too. Both of these are from Bloom and Prosper. And I got them in separate places. Anyway, whatever, just coincidentally, I really liked them. This one was $8.99. Now this one's a little bit bigger than the other one. It may even be the same scent for all I know. This one says Citrus Oasis, and this one says, I don't know. This one says, they're both Citrus Oasis. Okay, I really like that smell. Okay, this is a funny moment right now. I can share with you. But anyway, so I got the 2 candles. Yay, those are really nice. And then I got this really cute, I just think this is so me. It's a Juicy Couture, but I just thought on one of my bags, it's pink, and I just thought it was like the cutest little charm. So it's just got, it's got a heart and some pearls, and then it's just got the little pink bow. So anyway, there's that. And so I just think that's really fun. And so, okay. I have pots and pans I've been married for 40 years, you guys. I have pots and pans from like probably our whole marriage. And I just wanted something new and fresh. And I saw these. I've seen the Paris Hilton line of cookware, but these were really heavy duty quality stuff. So I went in and got a whole set. I got the cake pans, I got everything. So here's 2 cookie sheets. I just think they're so cute with the pink, and everything was these were $6.99, but I believe most of the other ones were cheaper. So I got a couple cupcake holder pans, and these were $6.99. I love the gold with the pink. I just think it's adorable. So I got those 2 pans, and I got a cake pan. This one's a 14 by 10, so it's a little bit bigger pan than the average. And I think that was $7.99. Here we go, more. So I'm getting rid of all my old pans, like all my old baking pans, and just using these good. Then now here's the 9-inch cake pan. I got 2 of those, and these were $4.99 each. I got the loaf pans. These were $5.99 each. 2 loaf pans. I love that. Guys, I want to start making bread. Okay. Anyway, I got the 9-inch square for $4.99. And then this one's a 13 by 9 cake pan, the normal size. Anyway, so all of that, I probably spent $80 maybe on all these, but I have all new baking dishes, and I'm going to get rid of everything else I have. So I'm excited about that. So that's part of the process here. Trying to go new and anyway, and have everything nice for the rest of my life. So anyway, so I have one more. Is it just one more bag? Nope. I got some Halloween stuff. I have 2 more bags. I got some Halloween. I'm saving a couple of things for the last. So I got this pumpkin. It lights up. I really wanted a bigger one, but they were just so expensive. I just couldn't handle paying $40 or more for a bigger one. So this one was $12.99. It does light up, so I like that. This will fit perfect on a little rack I have outside. So anyway, that's another reason why I can't really have anything super tall if I want to put it there. So there's that. It's my first Halloween find, and my next Halloween find were these, let's see, it says garland right here. I don't really want to get them out, but it's ghosts and candy corn. And I always put a garland on my fireplace. I think I have some beaded ones that are another one that will go cute with this already. So that'll be fun. And then the last thing that I had that's Halloween-y, I don't know, for me it's Halloween-y. This is a little pumpkin teapot. I just thought this was really cute. I like it. You could even it has a lid. You could even just put candy in here or something. So this will probably go on my display in my kitchen. So there's that. So those are my 3. I like to get, I don't like to go all out, but every year I try to get something new for holidays. So that's my new. And then I got a couple clothing items and a purse. And this feels like it's something dishes. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. This is Halloween too. And it's so cute. It's just a little plate, but it's just a little, I just think that's so cute. So I like the pink with Halloween. This was $5.99, so that's kind of fun. And then I got this. I just got a t-shirt. This is for my boy who used to live with me, but he's now in another home. But he loves cars and stuff. So this is just kind of a racing shirt, but I knew he'd like it. I'd like the colors. And anyway, so that's just, and then for me, I scored on something. I found a pink blazer, which will be really good for summer, for winter, I mean, and I can just throw this on with jeans and a shirt or with a dress, but it's just pink. It's like a pink linen. Nothing great, but the best part of it was that it was $6.99. So it was on their clearance rack, and I know it's something I'll wear. So the arms are a little bit big. I'm not going to put it all the way on, but I did try it on. And I don't know. It's kind of a little bit old-fashioned in a way, but I really like blazers. So in the winter, and it's my hot pink. So that's kind of fun. And last but not least, guess what my last item is? Can you guess? Do you know me very well? I got another Aldo, but I got this purse. I thought I was done buying purses, but I'm always looking for the perfect purse, like one that will go inside a large tote bag if I need it to, one that can be either crossbody, shoulder, or handheld. And this one's kind of messed up. I don't know, the plastic's messed up. But this one can do either. So it can be a crossbody here this way. Here's the purse, and it's really flexible. Now I got that last purse, I got the cherry one or whatever, so cute. I love it, but it's just really tight leather. I don't know how you break those in, but it's just not very flexible. This one is flexible, and I really like that about it. But you can also make it, you know, a shoulder strap. I don't know if you can make these shorter than this, but anyway, this is just really cute. I just love the color. It's kind of a creamy white, and with the gold, you know me, I like the gold. And it's got the cute little charm, like the gold charms all over it. So inside it is, I'm gonna take these out. It's just flexible, and I think it's going to be the perfect size for me. That's why I'm kind of excited about it. So it has a couple pockets in here, like for your phone or whatever, and then it has a zipper pocket back here. It has a divider in it, so that's what it looks like inside. Really happy about this. I shouldn't have spent more money on a purse, so I gotta sell some of my purses or get rid of them. But anyway, so here we go. There it is. So I'm actually really happy with that. So that was it. That's my last thing. So the blazer and the purse, I think, were really fun for me, and they were good deals. And so let me know what you think about everything. I got kind of a lot of stuff this time at Ross. So anyways, very fun things. So thank you for being here, for seeing what I have. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions, or let me know what you think of what I got. And I appreciate your support so much. And so thank you for that. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.